Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. And you guessed it, friends, it's another edition of Will It Fly? So we've got our drone. We have our Moana beads here. I don't know, bracelet? All right, and that is the next up to see if it will fly. All right, expert number one, do you think it'll fly?
Yes.
Expert number one says fly. Will it do a flip?
I'm not sure. Moana didn't quite
Maybe.
make it.
All right, maybe on the flip.
Maybe on the
And
flip.
check out our other videos. And Moana, well, we don't want to ruin the surprise for you, but you can check them out. And by the way, one of the absolute favorites was the toilet paper, flying toilet paper. Hey, that's kind of funny to say. And expert number two, do you say thumbs up or thumbs down? Is this going to fly? And she says it will fly. Is it going to flip? She says no flip. All right, let's give it a go. All right, expert, let's see where he chooses to get his expert spot. Is he going tile or cart? Ooh, interesting. He's going to go tile for this one. Very cool. All set up to go there. And let's see what it does. Oh, there you have it. The bracelet was no problem for our amazing drone flyer here. All right, how does it feel? Is it harder to fly it?
Well, when it started, this thing was really wobbling. Now I can get perfect control.
All right, now you're looking pretty good. Well. All right, and the flip. Let's see a flip. Oh, comes down hard. Wow, very, very cool. All right, friends, as you can tell, we're having a little bit of fun here. Don't forget, we have extra drones, so we are having a little fun. I do not recommend that you do this at home. I don't know if it's really all that safe for you. And the second thing is, I can almost tell you for sure, we're probably going to end up breaking one of these drones. We have a couple extra ones, so we're not too worried about it. All right, hope you're enjoying this. Give us a thumbs up. If you have any other ideas on things that we could get flying up in the air and we'll test to see if it flies, you can put that down in the comments. And we'll see you next time.